Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Edith. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what you are going to different affiliate programs you are going to sign up to as a beginner that you will get approval. So I will share with you 6 different affiliate programs you are going to sign up to as a beginner. Most of the affiliate networks, they require you to have a website, to have a YouTube channel, to have an audience, to have a large Instagram followers or Twitter followers. They require an audience. They require you to have an audience, and if you don't have an audience, you are not going to get approved to most affiliate marketing networks or platforms. So that is why, as a beginner myself, I have been looking for ways to get approved to some affiliate networks like CJ.com, to like CJ Impact, Share a Sale, and the rest of them, but I don't get approved because I don't have a website. I have nothing. I don't have an audience. So in this video, that is what I am going to share with you: different 6 affiliate products that you are going to sign up to, because they are not platforms. They are just products that they have affiliate marketing section on its own, which you can go and sign up to and start making money online as a beginner in affiliate marketing. So before you be watching this video, I know you already know about what affiliate marketing is, and that is why you are looking for product you can promote as a beginner. So if you're a beginner looking for products to promote to start making money online as an affiliate marketer anywhere in the world, these ones I am going to share with you, they are anywhere in the world and you have no excuse about it. So the first one I am going to mention is Uplift. What is Uplift? Uplift is a site or a platform where it enables you to get Instagram followers fast. So if you are someone who is into Instagram or stuff like that, you are going to go to Uplift. The link is in the description down below. You are going to go to Uplift and sign up to become the affiliate. It's very easy. You don't need approval because they are looking for people that will come and buy the service, as their main service is to grow people's Instagram account. So as a beginner affiliate, if you are looking for what to promote immediately, what to promote for you to get access to immediately, just sign up to and promote immediately, then you go to Uplift, because they basically grow people's Instagram accounts fast. So what you are going to do, let me just share with you a tip on how you are going to promote it. So since they are growing people's Instagram accounts, what you are going to do is to go to people's Instagrams that are follow people that are quite popular in your area, in your niche, or whatever it is in Instagram. Then comment. If they're looking for follow me, or I'll follow back. Once you hear such things, you put the Uplift link down below. Tell them if you want 100 followers, it's very affordable. You click on this link to sign up to Uplift. They are going to get your followers maybe in 48 hours or 24 hours, 100 or 200 followers, depends on how much you are ready to pay. So I think if you want genuine followers who are not robots, you click on this link, you tell them. Then you can also go to Quora too as well. When they're asking for how do I grow my Instagram account, you refer them to Uplift. Say if you want to, hey there, if you are looking for a way to grow your Instagram account, you click on this link below to go to Uplift. You tell them what Uplift does, that it's helps you to grow your Instagram account faster within 48 hours or 24 hours, thereabouts, if with just a simple amount like $9, with very affordable, at a very affordable rate. You tell them like that. Then once the person clicks on that link to buy their service, there you are going to get a commission, and it requires no website, no approval, not immediately sign up. You are going to get the link. I just signed up to it now, and that is why I am sharing with you. Then the second one I am going to refer to is Fiverr. Fiverr, I talk Fiverr a lot about in my channel because that is what I'm actively doing right now. So I talk about it a lot. So you can check the link in the description down below to go and watch the video about how I explain how this Fiverr affiliate marketing thing works in details. So if you are interested in promoting Fiverr as an affiliate, go to the link in the description. There is a video in it. click on the link and watch the video to get an idea on how you are going to promote the Fiverr affiliate link. I explained that in detail already. So that is number 2. Then the third affiliate program we are supposed to promote as a beginner that requires no approval, no website, no audience is GetResponse. What is GetResponse? GetResponse is an email marketing software that enables you to automate your emails, that enables you to send emails faster with the automation system, easy to use interface, and much more. So if you want to, even if you are not into email marketing, you can, there is nothing you cannot learn if you want to actually learn. So you go online, search for GetResponse review, you read about it, then get your understanding, write your own understanding, write your own article about GetResponse and put your links in the description and put your links in the article. So how are you going to put your links in the article if you don't have a website? What you are going to do is to go to Medium and create a blog. Just sign up with your name, sign up with your email address. You are already there. In case you don't know what Medium is a large platform. It's like YouTube or Google. YouTube is mostly for videos, where you upload videos as you are watching me now. Then Instagram and rest of it. It is a big website where people read about stuff. So it is a great opportunity for you to write about GetResponse there. Since we don't have a website, you can equally go to medium.com and sign up with your email address. Then basically they are going to give you a website. And when you are signing up for the GetResponse affiliate program, one thing I want you to understand is they are going to request for a website actually. So this Medium that I just mentioned now, you are going to go there, immediately sign up. They will give you a URL, your personal URL. You are going to use that URL and Medium URL to put there in the GetResponse website area. Once you scroll down to read the requirement, okay, when it gets to your website, you copy that Medium URL and paste it there. Then automatically you are going to get approved by GetResponse or any other email service provider that you want to promote. Even because they are not going to review your site, they are not going to do anything. As far as you put that website link, you will get approved. I hope you get the idea now. That was what I did too as well. I just signed up to GetResponse too as well. That is why I am sharing it with you based on my experience. Then the fourth one I am going to mention again is Systeme.io. Systeme.io too is an email marketing software. That email marketing software is where you can also host your online courses, where you can also create a blog in this. Systeme.io does tons of services, makes things easy for you as a business owner online. And to sign up to the affiliate program, it is very easy. It is very easy to sign up to the Systeme.io affiliate program, because once you log into Systeme.io program, I'll put in the link in the description down below. Go and sign up to it and start promoting their service. So what you're going to do is quite similar to what I explained about the GetResponse process. You go online, you read about it, then use your own understanding and write a review about Systeme.io. Put your link there and publish your article on Medium and also on Quora and also on Tumblr. Those 3 places. With that one article, you are going to get a few clicks that will lead people to sign up, and you are going to get paid for it. And these 2 platforms, they pay on recurring revenue. Like GetResponse and Systeme.io has a recurring revenue system. What do I mean by recurring revenue system? It means when you sign up to GetResponse or this Systeme.io, you are going to definitely keep getting money. That customer you refer is going to pay on monthly basis. So every month the person pays, you are going to get a commission from that one customer. That is totally passive income. That is what these gurus are doing, that's making them more money every day by day. So I hope you understand it now. Like, if you are enjoying this video, if you are getting value out of this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video, let me know what you think. Just tell me I am going to sign up to these platforms we are talking about in the comment section. So now that brings us to the The fifth one is TubeBuddy. So what is TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is basically an SEO service for YouTube. So what do I mean by SEO service for YouTube? Guys, I'm excited, so I'm just smiling. I'm really excited that I'm sharing this with you because it just gives me joy for sharing it. So that's by the way. TubeBuddy is a YouTube channel analyzer. So for example, maybe as a YouTuber, you are making videos and you want to know what video people clicks on more, what thumbnail people clicks on more, and the rest of it, different things about YouTube and stuff. So they have a program where anybody can sign up to on YouTube, and it is also a recurring revenue. That is how TubeBuddy is. If you sign up to it and start promoting the TubeBuddy service, you are any YouTuber that signs up through that affiliate link and start using that TubeBuddy service, you are going to get paid for it. So TubeBuddy is an easy product to go and sign up for as a beginner and start making money online. So like I said before, you are just going to, if you don't know anything about it, go to YouTube, go to either YouTube or Google to read reviews about it, watch videos, then use your own understanding to write about the TubeBuddy, and once person clicks on it, you are going to get paid too. So I hope you find this video helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also share your thoughts on the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you and bye for now.